we will go over to the second strategy, which is strategically aligning yourself with complementary businesses, influencers, groups that have the same clients but aren't in direct competition. And you can imagine if you create some sort of win-win referral arrangement or some sort of incentive-based deal, you might open up a brand new multi-client stream for your business where that one relationship sends you 10, 15, 20 clients every year. And that hasn't required any form of advertising or paid marketing. So this is the power of the joint venture strategy and creating multiple transactions from one relationship. So for example, you might be a conveyancer and you could joint venture with a real estate agent. You could create a joint venture with a mortgage broker. You could create a joint venture with a buyer's advocate and consistently refer each other business and open up 2 or 3 brand new client streams that are going to feed you for the lifetime of that relationship. So this is the type of mindset you want to adapt. You might be a nutrition store and you want to align yourself with a gym, and you might be able to send people to the gym for a free 30-day trial membership, and they might be able to send their gym clients with a code to get 15% off their nutritional supplements and protein and so forth. So just think about the different dynamics you can set up. Then you could also partner with a personal trainer, a recovery center, a massage therapist. So the goal is to create multiple joint ventures that don't conflict with each other. You wouldn't create 2 of the same joint venture because that's probably out of integrity. Just one in each application that complements the business that you do. So let's go and have a look at this particular example. So again, I'll go back to my Sales Navigator. This time I'm going to click on lead filters, and this is because I'm looking specifically for people, less than I'm looking for businesses. So if I click on lead filters, and let's say I'm a conveyancer and I want to JV with a local real estate agent, I can come to geography and I can put in my postal code, Box Hill North, and I can choose my radius. So let's say within 15 kilometers of where my office is or my location. Go to industry, put in real estate, come down to title and look for, again, real estate agent. I'm going to look for the decision makers at the real estate agency, so the owner, partner, director. Better select director if I'm going to add it in. And you'll see I've got 61 results. Then I might also look at the size of that agency, because a bigger one employs more than 10 people might have capacity to refer a lot more conveyancing clients to me. So I might select a headcount of 11 to 50 employees. So now I've brought up my results of 14 local real estate agencies with 11 or more employees. And I can go through with the strategy of approaching them to say if they'd be open to a mutual referral relationship. And I'm going to show you how to frame that. So this is the winning template out of all the clients and campaigns we've run looking to set up these mutual referral relationships. This is the template that's crushed it. So you're welcome to take that and adapt it for your target joint venture partner. And I'll read it out to you with an example. So it could be, hi John, thanks for connecting. We're over at Westfield Doncaster at Aaron's Conveyancing. We're looking to partner with one amazing local real estate agency to discuss a potential win-win referral arrangement. Are you open to a quick chat? Thanks, Aaron. As you can see, someone's going to be a lot more responsive to a win-win referral relationship than if you're a cold outreach with some sort of other opportunity, because you're saying, hey, we're looking to send business your way. And if you're not going to send it to them, you're going to send it to one of their competitors. And in this scenario, the commission a real estate agent earns on a potential client is probably a lot more than what a conveyancer gets for their services and fees. So very powerful. And the other thing you'll notice here is one amazing local. So this helps to prize you. If you say we're only going to partner with one, it puts you in the position to make that decision. Who aligns with your values? Who has the best reputation? Who do you feel has the best synergy? So they're competing for this opportunity with you, not the other way around. So this is super powerful, and you only need one of these relationships to be established and to work for it to be very successful. And you can see an example over here on the right of the type of responses that you get when you send this to people. This was setting up a JV with a pharmacy. So really powerful. So take this and adapt it. And like I said, you might find 2, 3, 4 different joint venture opportunities with different applications. Like I said, with a conveyancer, it could be a mortgage broker that handles the financing side of clients because they're not necessarily in competition with the real estate agents. It could be a buyer's advocate. So you can set up 3 or 4 different JVs with different businesses in your local area that aren't in conflict and create 3 or 4 client streams that fill your business up all year round without advertising and will convert very highly because they're getting sent to you in good faith and told that you're the person to deal with for conveyancing in this example. So we'll do another quick example. So let's say you were that nutrition store and you're looking for gym owners. I'll go back to the start. Lead filters. Sometimes you can sharpen up the process and put in keywords like gym owner. And again, put in my geography by a postal code within a 15-kilometer radius, industry, health, wellness, and fitness. Got 222 already. And again, seniority level, looking for the owner. And I might look for a gym, again, that's of a certain size, so 11 to 50 employees, knowing that they're going to have a larger client base than someone with less employees than that, more than likely. So if I click search, I brought up my 18 owners of fitness businesses or gyms that I could look at setting up a strategic joint venture relationship with for my nutrition store. So you can see how powerful LinkedIn can be when you've got the right strategy. And if you think beyond just going to the end client, where you might be able to get just the one transaction, and looking at scenarios where you can get multiple transactions from the relationship and several clients by establishing it.